Hello friends, today I am Devansh Prabhakar, a student of DigiVend Institute. I want to share my experience that how DigiVend has helped me to create a career in digital marketing. The best thing about DigiVend Institute is that it is helping students like us, the freshers, the opportunity to get into the industry. I think it is an opportunity to reduce the gap between the student and the industry by giving the industry exposure related to the digital marketing domain. When first I joined this institute, I was just little nervous that how it will be and how the training will go on. But the friendly nature of the trainees, the employees was just great that I can't get nervous. It's just like that. So the training was given us by the trainees, by the industry professionals who are currently working in the company. So, the work we were learning was on the real life project, right? So you will be getting the practical knowledge about digital marketing, that how digital marketing works, how we can rank someone's business on Google's top page. It will be like that. And like I have completed 2 months here and the training is going excellent. My course will be complete and I will be getting a certificate from DigiVend Institute. And using that, I will be getting a job in digital marketing domain. That is my dream from my childhood. I started thinking about it during my graduation to start my career in digital marketing. But the last but not least, but I want to say that if you want to start your career, if you want to start your career in digital marketing, or if you have an interest in digital marketing, then this is the place where you have to come. That is DigiVend Institute. Thank you.